When your business is hiring people in different countries, getting payroll, compliance, and HR right is a big deal. That's where Rippling and Oyster HR come in, each offering a very different way to manage global teams, pay, and legal responsibilities. But which is better for your company? Let's break it down. Rippling is not just a payroll platform. It's a unified system that brings together HR, payroll, IT, finance, and employee management. When it comes to global payroll, Rippling supports contractor payments in over 185 countries, in more than 50 currencies. It also offers EOR, Employer of Record services, in many countries, letting you employ local talent without setting up a legal entity yourself. One of Rippling's strengths is automation. You can calculate taxes, withholdings, and local deductions automatically. It syncs employee data, like hours worked, benefits, or time off, directly into payroll, so there's less manual work. They also support off-cycle payroll, which is handy for bonuses or one-off adjustments. Because Rippling is more than just payroll, you also get a powerful integration ecosystem: HR, accounting, IT app provisioning, and more, all in one system. Oyster is laser-focused on global employment, especially for companies that want an EOR-first solution. They support hiring and paying employees in over 180 countries, covering local payroll, benefits, and compliance. Payroll for direct employees and contractors is multi-currency, and Oyster supports localized onboarding, including contracts tailored to local labor laws. Their legal and HR experts help with compliance, making sure local employment regulations are met. On the pricing front, Oyster's EOR service starts at $199 per employee per month, according to common pricing benchmarks. PRS Consultancy. For contractors, they charge around $129 a month per contractor. The Employer of Record.com. For payroll only, direct hires, they have a plan starting around $125 per employee per month. Rippling equals best for scaling teams who need deep automation, global payroll plus HR plus IT all in one. Oyster HR equals ideal for businesses making their first serious push into global hiring, wanting simplicity plus local compliance without building entities. If your startup or company is scaling internationally, both are strong choices. Pick Rippling for long-term, integrated HR growth. Pick Oyster if you want payroll-first flexibility plus partner integration.